Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best aquarium stand that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Coralife Fish Tank Stand. This designer Biocube stand has been created to perfectly complement the beauty of the tank placed on top of it. Hidden shelves inside the unit provide a discreet place to keep all of your tank necessities. So you can be happy knowing your display holds everything you need, whilst looking fantastic. Its sleek and sturdy construction, with tinted acrylic panels, and black handles to match the black exterior means that this stand will prove to be the ideal place to display your cube. This 29-gallon aquarium stand is ideal for all your medium-sized tank needs. Moving on at number 4, we have the Aquatic Fundamentals Upright Aquarium Stand. Available as a 30-gallon fish tank stand and as a 38 or 45-gallon option for larger tanks, this stand provides ample space for the perfect display. With a solid top feature that provides additional support throughout the entire structure and ample storage inside for any equipment you may need, you will find everything you need in this beautiful stand. The simple, polished design of this stand means that it will work fantastically in a wide variety of homes. Additionally, the back is designed to be open with a single support brace, giving easy access to route any cords that may otherwise look unsightly. At number 3, we have the Flipper Gallon Aquarium Stand. The Flipper Aquarium Stand is a particularly ingenious design, with a completely unique take on aquarium display. Flipper has designed this case to be flippable. By that, we mean that it can be used either way up, with each end of the stand purpose-built to support different aquarium sizes. The end with the narrower surface top has been made to hold up to 10 gallons, 120 pounds. Whilst the end with the wider surface top is designed to accommodate up to 20 gallons, 240 pounds. Not only does this make it suitable for a wider range of aquarium owners, but it provides smaller tank owners with the option to have a wider surface on which to store additional aquarium equipment alongside it. Not only it is cleverly designed to work for multiple aquarium sizes, but it is also a modern, conservative design, with a helpful cupboard smack dab in the middle, for hiding away all of those messy aquarium tools and bits of cleaning equipment. It is an easy design to blend in with most homes, which just helps to make your tank look even better. Whilst many previous customers have been extremely happy with their Flipper display case, it is worth noting that it is stressed by the manufacturer that 2 adults should work together to assemble this unit. Not only is it a very package to carry, but it helps to have someone with you to hold the pieces straight. At number 2, we have the Hagen Black Tank Stand. Super quick to assemble, clear-cut modern design and sturdy. 3 things any aquarium lover would want in their tank stand. Made to provide the perfect fit for the Fluval Flex tank, this unit is ideal for a tuck-away display, so you don't have to worry about taking up heaps of space. The open shelves also give you a great area to keep any food or small bits of equipment you may need. So if you're wanting a great little stand that cuts straight to the point, then this will be best stand for your needs. And finally at number 1, we have the Coralife Designer Biocube Stand. Coralife's Biocube stand is the epitome of aquarium display cases when it comes to looks. It had the classic organic soft curve to the shaping of the door's tinted glass panel, and a clean minimalist look overall. This stand is available in 2 sizes, and capable of holding up to size 14/16 Biocubes, or the larger design can support up to size 29/32 Biocubes. The unit has short, sturdy feet to keep the case elevated for hygiene purposes, whilst providing a strong and reliable base. This Biocube display case has been carefully designed by Coralife with water in mind. The materials used are all water resistant, so there is no need to worry about spills whilst cleaning your tank. It even has holes cut into the back of the unit to allow cables to run into the storage cupboard underneath, out of the way of any water spillages that could potentially occur. The entire unit has been designed as one big cupboard, meaning there's no need to keep equipment in plain sight, Just tuck it away into the tinted storage space. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon